Hey guys, this is Harshvardhan Singh. Today in this video I'll do review on EMP Money that I have been a part of for more than a month now. EMP Money is a tomb fork and the native token EMP is pegged to Ethereum or ETH. It's like an improved version of Tomb Finance. So if you believe in Ethereum long term, you should consider EMP Money. EMP takes it one step further and has even more ways that will make you money. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Tomb was amazing till it worked, but it was pegged to Phantom, and when Phantom fell apart, so did Tomb. Here we have a peg to Ethereum, so that makes it even less volatile and somewhat safer. The total value logged on the platform is over $30 million as of right now. So how does it work? Here on the EMP Money homepage, you can see EMP is overpegged, so while it's overpegged, it will continue to print money. When it does fall below peg, you are supposed to buy some E-bonds using your EMP. This will burn your EMP, thus reducing the supply and helping it go back to above peg. When it does go above peg, you can then sell your E-bond for a profit. So this is an ecosystem where the participants need to work together to keep it profitable for everyone. They also have another token called ESHARES, which is a very volatile asset. They also have this auto feature that will allocate your funds in appropriate sections on the website if you'd rather have the auto mode do the work for you. It uses the 80-20 rule by default and allocates 80% of your money in the farms and 20% in the boardroom that you can adjust if you'd like to. In the boardroom, you stake ESHARES, which is the riskier asset as it's highly volatile. Whenever EMP is overpegged, the boardroom will print and it will stop printing when EMP is under peg. The APR is insanely high, but it's very risky as you are holding ESHARES. This may not be a popular opinion, but I don't recommend the boardroom, at least not with a significant amount, as ESHARES can tank in value because nothing is guaranteed. Head over to the farm section and you will find 3 pairs where you can provide liquidity. EMP-ETH LP is the safest pair as EMP is supposed to be paired to Ethereum, so there won't be any impermanent loss. If one of the two tokens fall in price by a large percentage, in order to maintain the 50-50 ratio, a chunk of the second token will be sold. This means you will buy back more of the losing token by selling your more profitable token. With EMP-ETH pair, this won't happen as EMP is supposed to closely follow Ethereum's price. ESHARE BNB and EMP ESHARE are also not recommended as it could result in an impermanent loss. The APR on the other 2 pairs isn't that high anyway, so it's not worth the risk. Over the top you can find the latest prices for EMP, ESHARES, Ethereum and Binance Coin. As you can see, this ecosystem offers a lot of ways to make money as there are multiple entry points. So what is the best way to make money with EMP Money? I would say it's the Detonator, the 4th tab. If you have ever used Drip before, you will know how it works. Basically you deposit money here and you'll continue to make daily profits until you have made 365% of your ROI back. It has the most consistent returns out of the many available options. In Drip the concept is similar, it gets you 1% daily returns. So in a month you make back 30% of your ROI, and in 12 months, 12 times 30, that's like 360% returns on your initial. However, it's worth noting, just like your Drip, your initial won't be withdrawable once you click on the deposit button. You can choose to compound or withdraw daily depending on how you want to proceed. If you compound, the stats will change daily and your daily returns will increase thanks to the now higher deposits. The power of compounding joins your side. They also have a top deposit and a random deposit price, which sits at an impressive $33,000. If you win the lottery, this $33,000, it will get added to your deposit, and then you'll make like 365% of this amount over the next 12 months or so. EMP makes the Detonator easy to use. You won't have to create an LP to deposit here. Just have some BNB in your balance and click on the Zap In button. Enter your desired amount of BNB and confirm the transaction. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Please feel free to use my link. That will be much appreciated. Once it's done, your dashboard will show your deposits, like it shows mine. The markets have dropped tremendously over the last few weeks, yet EMP is printing money despite the not so good market conditions. This is all because of its peg to Ethereum that makes it less volatile and less risky. There can be several strategies to profit from the detonator. You can compound your earnings to grow your account faster, or compound on the weekdays and withdraw on the weekends. There are many ways. It just depends on your objective and how you are willing to proceed with this. So that brings us to the end of this EMP Money review. This is a fantastic platform that's profitable even in these less favorable market conditions. The fact that EMP is pegged to Ethereum makes it even better. One way to profit even more from the platform is by withdrawing your LP tokens daily from the detonator and then putting it back in the EMP-ETH farm. This way you are sort of earning ESHARES for free that you can stake in Boardroom if you feel like it. The detonator is what I recommend as it's the easiest way to get started with the platform. It's also way safer than the farms. By the way, if you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell notifications icon so you get notified when I create new content. Also, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. The information I present on this channel is for educational purpose only. You should always do your due diligence before you decide to invest in any asset class, including cryptocurrencies. Investing is risky and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. With that said, it's time to wrap up. Peace out.